In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rearrange the order of products in your Wix e-commerce store. Whether you're looking to highlight your best sellers, organize by category, or simply make your product list easier to navigate for your customers, this tutorial will guide you through the process, step by step. Rearranging your product order in Wix is a quick and straightforward way to enhance the shopping experience on your site, while giving you more control over how your store looks and feels. So let's get started and make your online store even better. The first thing you'll need to do is log into your Wix account. Once you're logged in, you'll automatically land on the main dashboard. This is essentially the control center for your entire Wix website. From here, you can access all the tools and settings needed to manage your site and, of course, your e-commerce store. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout if you're not already comfortable navigating it. Next, look at the left-hand sidebar. This is where most of your main options and tools are located. You're going to want to click on the catalog option. It's typically labeled clearly and easy to spot. Clicking on it will take you to the section where all your products are managed. This is the area where you can add, edit, or organize all the products that you sell through your online store. Once you're inside the catalog section, the next step is to locate and click on the categories section. This is where Wix organizes your products into different groups or collections based on how you've set up your store. Categories are a great tool for organizing your products in a way that makes sense for your customers. But today, we'll focus on the All Products option within this section. After opening the category section, go ahead and select the All Products option. This will display your entire product list on one page. It's essentially a comprehensive view of everything you currently have listed in your store. From here, you can see all the items and their current arrangement in the list. This is the area where you'll be able to make changes to the order of your products. Now comes the fun part, rearranging the order of your products. To do this, simply click on the product you want to move. Hold down your mouse button and drag the product to the position where you'd like it to appear in the list. As you drag the product, you'll notice a highlighted area showing where the product will be placed. This is a visual cue to help you position it precisely where you want it. Once you've got the product in the desired spot, just release the mouse button. The product will now stay in that position. To make sure your changes are saved and applied to your store, you'll need to do one final step. Look for the Save button. This is typically located in the upper right corner of the page, but its exact placement may vary slightly depending on your Wix interface. Click Save, and that's it. Your updated product order will now be live on your site, ensuring your customers see your store exactly the way you've arranged it. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you can easily rearrange the order of products in your Wix e-commerce store. This is a quick and effective way to customize the look of your online shop and ensure your products are displayed in the best possible order for your customers. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.